Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Now today we're back again with another interesting video. I hope you enjoy the video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
People is there, the zeal is there.
You see all me I call you?
Sorry.
Put fun and joke aside, no all the games and the joke though. I carry this video.
Yeah.
You would pre now. Vani, good for my turf. Everybody good for my turf. Me nobody know nothing. You understand? But at the end of the day, if you dep on Instagram so long, listen, don't get me wrong, you know, I not say what you do right, you know. But just I show your team. Cause
Talk to me.
everybody wrong, you know, everything. Cause listen to this lava.
Yeah.
If you dep on Instagram and see this girl a sell page randomly, where she get the page them from? They must give she have teeth them to get them. Wrong and right.
True that.
Alright then. When you come to her now for the business, remember you've been here, people are post up Vani and say pink wall, this Vani rob me this, Vani rob me that, Vani rob me this, Vani rob me that, right?
True.
You still go out of the way and you still go spend your money with this same girl. Won't keep on and say rob people same way, don't it?
True.
Renee 630 did have 600 ad followers and Vani take it. Though Renee 630 they do business.
Right.
Alright. So why is it you want to go up on Vani? In our inbox, you go buy a page from Vani where she thief, where somebody did a cry for yourself. The two are not thief. And me
Bumbuckler,
never
no.
tell you the truth. No, I'm not saying the girl Samantha is a thief, you know, but when you look on it, lava, a two fuck up situation. You understand where I come from? Renee 630 feel it for your page. Other person feel it, which in Vani come talk say, yeah, me take this and me take that. So why blame Vani? Everybody dep on Instagram and see say Vani a walk a thief page, Vani sell page, Vani scam the people them for them money for them page. Why you keep on going to Vani for page? That's what me want to know.
That me a talk about.
Tell the truth now, she wrong. Vani fucking wrong. I'm a little friend, but she wrong. But
Right.
truth is truth. Everybody depend. Give that woman her money. You been no say scammer out. Why you keep on going to this fucking scammer? Eh? It's a 50-50 chance it come like visa. You got the embassy. The other woman tell you say you gonna get it. You don't know if you gonna blood clot get it. Me wrong or right?
Oh.
So why everybody are go down pan her? Nobody, Vani never message her. Is you going her inbox and from you can go to the thief herself. Are you wrong, mama? I understand say you 3 bills to run back. But come on now, babes. You're wrong. Me and Vani good. I couldn't look for go to Vani for buy a page from Vani. All when you have Vani, good she go scam you. All if your eyelash she go take off your face, she go scam you. No, it's just the truth, lava. Remember, yes, you transact this money to this girl, you know. You don't know her background, you don't know which part she live in, because Van is a white line, you know. She's like the white line in the road, you know. You don't know which part she there, you
That
know.
me a talk
So
about.
how can you trust somebody to send her money to? Remember, you've been a ear, Savani pussy stink. You've been a ear this and that. First of all, if me a hear so much disgraceful things about Vani, thief page, pussy stink, why never go to Vani same way?
And listen what I'm saying to you, Twep. This
Yeah.
stink pussy argument.
Yeah.
Like
Me not
still
like that.
yeah,
Me not
hold
like
on.
it.
Still a linger. Listen,
Yeah.
it's just probably a situation at the time, look infection or what, boom, and it gone. Pussy probably not
Yeah.
stink again. I'm just saying, you get where I come from?
Yeah.
But we know all we people see it as cuss. But we all and
Yeah.
want something, and that's what we're gonna beat you with.
Yeah, but lava, what me I say to you say is, you hear so the Chinaman, them a skin dog and a sell dog. You go over there go buy chicken back from them?
Patty, say patty.
Patty then, Patty. You go over there go buy patty from them?
No.
It's the same thing. She's not wrong. It's the same like when a man can call and say, you just win $1 million and go to your door front, you see a big Jeep out there.
Yeah.
You hear about the scammer them, so you know what to look out for when them come in here in
La. I'm scared of the thing. La.
You understand? But at the end of the day, if Vani could have given her back her 3 bills, would have said give her back the 300. You understand? But at the end of the day, Renee 630 and other people cry for them page too. Why you want to use the promotion for a
No.
teasing page where I cried for? This is what me I talk about. You know, say if police hold her door, she will get to her. You know why? She never go in her account feed. It's you come to her. You don't know this girl from Adams. And you send $300 first. And you send the next 3 again. And you been a hear this from last year. Vanity page. Vanity this. Vanity that. Vanity, where you get the page from where you sell? You know, say, I make it up. We've been here, say, TV people and page. So that simply means, say, me for promote for Renee 630, $700 page. Okay, right? Happy, you know, I make my money, you know, while Renee over there, so a box for all for sing one dub. It's unfair. The two side them wrong. Yeah. I couldn't hear the blue tick I sell on Instagram and go buy a blue tick from Vanny. Me know Vanny lick me for 6. That must be blood clot, man. Me know Vanny lick me for 6. Yeah, man.
Man, I like shut and laugh, have a buzz.
At the end of the day, the people them come at 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different set of people come at talk about Vanny robbed me, Vanny scammed me. When I look 10 more gone back again in a lava.
True.
After the 6, you know, 10 more gone again, you know, gone by, you know.
True, you talk. Yeah, as you say, put for and joke aside. Listen what I'm saying to you, Twep.
Yeah.
Put for and joke aside still as well you say from the get go.
Yeah.
But which way that one, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, cause everybody don't know.
We know Vanny a thief. Yeah,
Vanny,
we know.
Yeah.
So,
but I will look a friend. We look a thief and friend that.
Exactly, but when
Yes.
I say is lava,
Yes.
people are say you for one or and you pick side. You cannot pick side because at
Me
the
not
end of
pick
the
a
day, you can't go to Vanny and say, Vanny, when the people come to you, borrow money, don't take it. Remember, you know, them must send the money before them get the page, you know.
Yeah,
So
true.
we can't stop it. We can't stop it. And the people them not learn. People hardworking money should take away. Yes, that is wrong. But guess should never go to una feet. It's una give her it. Come on, man. Vanya scam freely. I the quickest scam of this me see on Instagram. She get money quick.
Pussy clot.
Money running her hand like butter. God believe me, lava. At 100 US, me charge to do promotion, you know. And Vanny said 35, 40 ad, 600 ad, and my sugar in a bag in herself. That's a blood clot.
Now your head.
Nah, not even my head. Not even my shorts. My shorts are 30.
Man, I like shut and laugh, have a buzz.
Tell the truth where God love now. But someone tell me understand how you feel still, and I wonder if she should DM me up on Facebook, you know, and whatever. I go to Vanny, I say, Vanny, you thief the girl her money, and she say, I'm tell you something. So Vanny, I'm tell you something, love. I'm study Vanny, you know. It's when Vanny gonna lick your chip for 6, she speak English. Vanny not talk nothing in patois, and she reason with you for your money. So it's when Vanny don't reason with you and speak to you, your money transfer fast. Vanny would depend. I want to tell you that is what I give a girl a page, you know. And the last time I give it to her, she was saying the same thing too. Fast.
Man, I like shut and laugh, have a buzz.
You can't hear the voice note.
You hear the voice note.
Yes. Like a real scammer, you know.
Real scammer. That's why I say, Bumbo clot. What Vanny is with the woman for her money?
Pause. Just like the other day, with what's your name? Blue Royal or Royal Blue?
Yeah.
Blue Royal, right?
Yeah,
when Blue Royal go Barbados with the man and the man say, what she do? Right?
Yeah.
Everything come down to something like this.
Yeah.
Remember, remember when your Vanny come on and say, anybody got them club there, or what them do, what the case might be. And here the man say, say, he meet another club, she have a 1Z, she give him a lap dance, she pull the 1Z and use him finger up on her clit.
Yeah.
My nigga. And everybody are dropping up on Blue Royal.
Yeah.
Listen carefully.
Yeah.
Blue Royal did on a fucking mission.
Yeah.
You are look for love. She not look for love.
Yeah, she not look for love.
Perfect. She look for love. You send her the money. When she realize and say, no more money now, I got my nigga step to the curve.
Yeah.
I saw it go. You get where I come from? So right in the situation, you know, as we say, everybody know Vanny is a sticky finger. Vanny and very sticky when it comes to money.
Sticky bad man. Vanny no play man. Hear what she say? My business can't mash up. They will come. They will come up. They might always go to us. Another chat and lad, they go hear somebody else come.
Yeah, just like if say, yeah, some man say, them girl eat that girl, but still a look pussy from her.
Still a look, yeah.
Come on, we know the thing, man.
Me a talk about.
A Kool-Aid, no man, I go over to sugar.
See him,
I don't want a Kool-Aid. Yeah.
Cause you some man, you know, when them drink all that, the blood clot NSC there, you know, Twep Twep right now, you know, a Beyonce for them, you know.
Yeah.
You get where I come from, so. As you say, Vanny wrong. Cause Vanny, you say January. Yes, and next thing too, you say January and the girl approve. Vanny, you're so fucking wrong.
And that me I tell you, say you have to study Vanny. If you don't study her, you won't know Vanny. When Vanny start talking in English, and that's so the chip leak. But to do promotion, fear, you know, but for sell a page, Vanny not going to sell it such a big page.
True.
So not going to sell it such a big
page. It come like some thief. We sell something and thief it back from you and do it again to somebody else.
Okay then. Because remember, say it's a thieving page you want buy, you know, say you know say somebody thieving page, so vex them page gone, you know, but you want to go buy it. So Vanya say, you know, hard me work for thief this, and you want to come buy it. So now the money, right? That's all. Sweep lick, man.
Right, you know, come to the order in the court right now. Are the thing them right on right or so? And, Vanny versus Samantha.
Yeah.
Shut and laugh court. We buy here sentencing Vanny.
Third 100 years to life. Vanny.
We buy here sentencing Vanny. We buy here sentencing Vanny.
I know you do promotion.
Vanny, load the people in page now. All right? He's a changed person. And what your public warning.
Yeah, you have to be careful too, you know,
and please be careful. You understand,
Vanny? Be careful,
Vanny.
For true.
Remember, say a lot of people don't like you, and a lot of people like you.
True.
You understand me? First, Vanny, first of all, just to tell you straight out, first when I say about Vanny and I kind of something, I never did like you. Come and say, no, the girl have a cool.
Remember, she cussed me already, you know, me never like her too.
And then after now, me become friend. You get where I come from? So Vanny, so cut it out. You understand me? And on behalf of Samantha, Vanny, as Vanny said from earlier, I get the money again, but you just get scammed.
Angel, me see you. Yeah, you
understand?
Just get scammed for true.
Yeah, so Vanny, you have been sentenced like 100 years. 150 years.
No, the 15 are for the butterfinger. The 100 are for the vice, the English vice.
Right.
Yeah, 100, no parole.
No parole, leave people page alone. Court is adjourned. Leak it, sir. Court is adjourned. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Play the cartel now.
Play the cartel.
No, but I gotta tell you something, Lava. I said this to Vanny. I don't want nobody feel like I'm biased, but to be true and fact, you're not an ugly girl. Anything you put on fit to your face pretty. You see them white like you put come over them. But I tell you the truth, Vanny. Jamaica is not a safe place, and people nowadays are fucking evil. People can set up a life, and there's some serious things they don't know which part to come from. You see, if you hear them coming in your inbox, come tell us them want to buy a page, just tell them
load them alone. Yeah,
just
load
them alone, please. Just leave them. Because you remember, so you have people out there who like your mother and everything. They can't let other people for cry. You see me? Even though people hate you, but them hate me too, you know, want to kill me, you know, because them don't like me, you know, but at the end of the day, we have to just keep... Angel, stop coming now. We have to just keep strong and just know, say, life goes on, you see me?
Right. So, Samantha, Well, understand you need a promotion and you need a thing for out there, but are the wrong person you go to Samantha. You understand me, Samantha?
Yeah, the wrong person you go to.
We know are the wrong person you go to. As we Twep say, when it comes to certain things, she now go to Vanny when it comes to money thing. So
go to money
a wrong person you go to. Are the wrong person you go to. Cause me and Vanny cool and money for send $30 go give Vanny for do something for me. You send $30 go give Vanny for do something for you?
No, I'm rather Garrett. Let's say Vanny go on with it. I know the butterfinger start twist. Vanny the loyal to nobody. Vanny on the loyal to a little sale. But as I say, still, Samantha just go on. Angel, big up yourself. Yes, lava them area.
Big her up.
Yeah, lava say big her up. As me I say still, Samantha. Yeah, I saw the thing, my friend. Just go and hold it. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, but
yeah, man. So
remember me warn you, when the people come tell us them buy a page.
Yeah, man, low top Vanny, man. Low top Vanny.
Them, make them go on.
Because if people remember this, you know. You say Vanny, Cheese, Twep, World Dog, Pretty Dan, Sione, and the name them go on. A family, all of we are family, and Fetish and Shannon, all of we are family over here. So you get to me I come from? Because before Chat and Lab gets so big, we did there, I build it and I build it. So I'm a friend of all of them. You get to me I come from? But if you're wrong, you're wrong.
Yeah, for true, as you're wrong, man.
Vanny, you're wrong. And the next thing too, Samantha, you're wrong. Van is a Van is a criminal. I go to a criminal.
You must hear that you hear that long time. You must have hear them something there.
Yeah, right.
So true.
It come like Johnny British. Johnny British, they buy the Alexander McQueen from the Chinaman and they realize and say the Alexander McQueen fake.
Yeah.
What the fuck you cost for Johnny British? That is China people. It's fake.
Yeah.
Cause me see the white Alexander McQueen. Hey, remember I then. Johnny British in a party 24/7 like everybody. So more time when somebody in a party get a new shoes, we go see it.
Yeah.
Because we're there in a party at least 4 times a week.
So true.
So we go see it. So from out of nowhere, myself Johnny British have one Alexander McQueen. I look old. Like what the fuck? Like, oh, I there in a party. So when did you get that Alexander McQueen? I look so old. You know, like your uncle give you one shoes and no one hour.
Yeah.
Yes, that no. So I see my brother Alexander McQueen have and Johnny British a big video man. You travel the world. Get rid of it. There's two sides spread out like.
Yeah.
Where you got to some fucked up people, I end up and get some fucked up deal.
True.
Don't complain.
True.
Yes.
Because if police here say you are sell things with a fraud, lava, and me come back from the police are like the 2 hours, you know.
Thank you very much.
The 2 hours with them are lock up. So if them they go station about page, the 2 of them are lock up.
Just like if back then time with the African Mr. say like the DV them on the roadside them on the CD, and if you go buy some from the African and you come home and it now work, what the fuck you gonna do? Either you dash it where you can't complain, a bootleg you buy. A criminal activity you go take part in, you know.
True, man.
You get where I come from?
True.
I'm big up the girl right now. Me see up on my life where you going socks and you thief 2 different pair of shoes and never know. Right now you have 2 left foot here, 2 Louis slippers.
Yeah.
2 Louis slippers the girl have in her yard, 2 right foot. So it go.
Lord God.
So I mean, we'll add Vanny real quick.
All right.